Hi everybody, this is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet. Welcome to my channel. I know that I've been disappearing, but I'm back. And today we're gonna do this really cute unicorn centerpiece. But before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and press the little bell button so you get the notifications when my new videos come. And all my social medias are up there. Don't forget to go follow me. Today we're gonna start making the unicorn centerpiece. I got almost everything at the dollar store. Things that I didn't have it, or things I walk around to see, to know exactly what I could find it. So I got this little vase. So I'm gonna show you two types of the centerpiece, the same centerpiece that you can do if you wanna use, you know, real flowers, fake flowers, things like that. And so let's start with that. And we're gonna need the tissue paper. Dollar store has this tissue paper that's kind of very pastel colors, and that's what we're gonna start with. We're gonna need that and we're gonna need some foam. I remember Dollar Store having one that comes with tube, but they didn't have today. So they have this one that comes with tube. It's a little on the thinner side, so I'm gonna check to see if I like. But they have this one too, and this one is perfect to put on top of things like that and decorate on top of it. But we're gonna start with the tissue paper, and we're gonna open it. So we're gonna organize all our pastel colors tissue paper, and what we're gonna do, because we want that all the same size, I'm gonna cut it. Let's be sure that everything is in the right place, because they come all disorganized. We're gonna cut it in half and then in half again. That's all we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna be sure that they all together. You don't need to be all worry and measure anything, just roughly half and half. You can even fold it if you want to. So we're gonna do, cut it all the way down this way, and then we're gonna cut it again. So I'm gonna just fold it so I have an idea where is the center. See, you can make the line. So we're gonna cut it this one. We're gonna keep them all together. And we're gonna cut the same thing the other side. So you mark, open up, you have the line, and we're just gonna cut it right here. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's right there in the bottom. Just go, because I put a bunch of pictures of the party there and how I made the ticket booth and everybody was talking about. So if you guys want to see it, it's a cool place for you to go see it and check it out. So I'm gonna try to use this one since I couldn't find the perfect round one that I wanted. But let's see what's gonna happen. I wanted this for the top of my my vase, so I might just use this one. Yes, I'm gonna use this one instead. And that green one, we're gonna use it for something else. So don't you worry about it. We're still gonna use it for another tutorial. I'm gonna get an old piece of foam board. I save everything for my parties, so this is from the party. I'm just gonna make, I think like a square, just for us to be sure that this is gonna standing still. I might don't even need a square. Yeah, square is fine. This is easier to cut like this. You cut it with a scissor like this, and then you break it apart. It's the way that's easier to cut those foams. So we're gonna use this one roughly like that, because we're gonna cover everything. I just want it to be, you know, like solid. And then we're gonna place this little circle in. So we're gonna glue it, hot glue it. I need to buy myself like a low temperature hot glue, because I want to do some other new things with balloons. because everybody liked it, my balloon arch, like the popcorn balloon arch. I know we're talking about it and you guys didn't see it, but I would try to show you guys, I promise. So before I do this, I think I'm gonna just get a purple color, because it's a little darker, and I'm just gonna cover around, just for the sake of we don't see all this ugly paper. You probably can do that before you glue the circle, of course, you know me. I don't plan my videos, I don't plan like my decorations, I go with the flow, whatever I have, you know, on my hand, whatever I see, all the pieces of paper I save, so everything is reusable. So I just realized that if I cover, I'm not gonna see this ugly white side, the other side, if somebody touches it, the centerpiece, you know. And it's always people then touch it, kids then move around, so ooh, it's hot. So let's do this before anything else. So always be careful with the hot glue. Hot glue burns. Here we go. So you could do that before, but don't worry because we don't see it. I was just worried to the back part. So we're gonna start like that. You're gonna need some wood skewers, or you can use anything, but the wood's better because we're playing with hot glue, so you don't want to get hurt. So let's start. I'm gonna get 2 colors. Let's see, the yellow and the green, and like I'm putting one in a square shape for me, as you can see, and then I'm gonna put the other one going to the other corner, you know, like make a star. Then I'm gonna get my wood skewer, put it in the middle, and I'm gonna just push my paper up, because we want to, you know, have the little piece here on the bottom. And then what we're gonna do, a little glue, be careful your fingers, and we're gonna just stuck it in there. Just like that. See? I know it doesn't look like anything right now, but it will. And we're gonna do the same thing. So now we get different colors. Let's get a pink one and a yellow one. And we're gonna do the same thing over and over again. I'm gonna show you one more time. Putting in the center. Pull all your papers up. We're gonna roll it down on the bottom a little bit. I think it looks cuter if you roll more than I did the first time. So your paper is kind of all cute. We're gonna put some glue all around. And we're gonna stuff in there. Be careful your fingers. Go into, you know, you can't go anymore. See, when you roll it a little bit more, it looks cuter, but that's okay. That was the first one and we're gonna fix it, see? Now we're gonna do again. Let's get some purple there. Purple. And what colors do we have? We have 3 colors? No, we have blue. Where's my blue? Here. Is that blue or green? That's blue. There we go. Purple and green. The same thing. And we're gonna do that all the way around. So I'm gonna speed up for you guys so you guys don't need to keep seeing here, but I'm gonna show you everything and then I show you the second part. For now, we have this one like this. We can put all the paper around, like just keep putting paper here, and then use the sticks and the balloons just to put signs. Or you can even leave this one here, and then put it just a little bit more, put in some fairy lights, and then put the flowers. That's what I want to try to do. So, let's see. Gonna give you guys a little bit more of view. So I'm gonna make probably like 4 more, just in case. And 4 more, and we're going to put the glass and then put them up so we know exactly what we needed. And then we're gonna do all the way around. So we know that the glasses stay right in the center. I know where to put it now. Let's do green and blue. They look exactly like the same color, but they are not. But that's not a pretty good mix though. Get it there. There we go. Probably 1 or 2 more. Twist around, and let's put it there. Now we're gonna see how it looks like if we need more. So you get your vase, and we're gonna place right over there, and then it's gonna be right there. We're gonna put the fairy lights on the middle, and then have this. Then we're gonna need to cover because this is ugly. We don't want to see that. And then we can put the flowers and the sticks. What do you think? See, I'm creating with you guys because I didn't think about it. Okay, I don't have the fairy lights, but I have the LED lights from Dollar Store right here because I just finished my party, as I said like 100 million times, and my stuff is all in boxes downstairs. It didn't organize. But this is Dollar Store, as you can see. Let's try to see how it looks. We're gonna open. Don't make me trick. Here we go. You need a screwdriver, but we're gonna trick this system here because I don't want to go get a screwdriver, that's for sure. Come on, you can let me do it. Here we go. Just have a little screw here, but I don't know where my tiny screwdriver is, so we're gonna do like this. Okay, so we have our lights. Then I will probably put some cotton balls or something cuter to hide this part. We're gonna use the pink in the bottom because we don't want to see this. Definitely don't want to see this. So we're gonna do this, and I'm probably gonna use even another color because we use 2 colors everywhere. So we do like this, and we're gonna place in the bottom of our vase, like so. And then we're gonna place all our lights. You don't need to worry too much because nobody's gonna see it because of the papers we put it there, but just in case, you know. And then you tape it, the lights a little bit, just for the good look of it. And then we're gonna place right in the center, just like that. See the lights? Ooh, no, you stay there. So I'm just gonna leave this out because we need this part. And then I'm gonna get a pink one. We're gonna cover this one with the pink, just like so. See? I'm gonna place right up there. And in the middle, just for the lights, just like that. Tape to cover things like that, because, but I don't think I have pink washi tape anywhere, do I? So let's see if I can cover with this thing. Is it too pink? No. I have this from the balloons, so let's just use this one. Put a little glue. Watch your fingers. Glue the bottom, the top part, you know. Really watch your fingers, because hot glue, it's a mess. And then we're just gonna just cover the whole thing, and then we're gonna just run around like this. Into the end, or you can use even half if you want to, you know, if you don't want that big. But I'm gonna make into the end. You can leave this little, really the end out, because you're gonna put it inside there anyway. So we're gonna glue this here. Cut it. And this is that balloon string. What's the name of this? Yeah, this gift ribbon, the one that you put in gifts or balloon holders, you know, things like that. So we have that. And what I would do, or I would put balloons, or I would put like a picture of a unicorn, or the name of the birthday girl and stars and things like that. And then we can totally just stuff it in right there. See, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I'm just, you know, stuffing it in. And that's it, guys. You can make such a big, like, difference with this. It looks so cute. And you probably, let's see. We use $1 for the paper, $1, like half of $1.50, because we just used one of this. We didn't use two. 3, 4, probably like $5. You can make a cool centerpiece with lights and everything. So I will show you pictures now, then when you're done, when you put it like the balloons and things like that for you guys, and to give more ideas. But I hope you guys like it. You can even put lollipops here, you know, like little marshmallow pops, you know, those that have like curly things and all cute. So I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to please give me a like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and to all the information from this video is in here under the show more, and leave me a comment so I can go back and dedicate a video for you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.